So it's day yeah. We're gonna call it day 3 of Subaru and Chill, and I'll see let you know what we're doing today. So here's that cord I was telling you about that runs up underneath the column here, center column. That's the finished product of my Y-band install, which I'm pretty proud of. That came out pretty good, pretty clean, even with the RTV sealing deal I was doing. Anyways, so the ECU's back there, and I talked to Reese, who is the owner of Reetwire, and he thinks that one of the chips inside the unit got loose, which could be my issue, where, you know, it was already loose, put in the car, you know, fiddle farting with the car, and maybe it finally came more loose. Or all right, for the moment of truth, got the screws out. We're just gonna slide this, should slide right out here. Slide this off, maybe. I don't know if it wants to cooperate. We'll see. Well, hold on a second. All right, sorry about that. Had to bend this little tab up some to get the cover off. But anyway, so from what he was saying, this guy right here looks loose. So I'm gonna take a look at it, push it down, whatever, and I'll be right back and show you guys what changed, if anything. All right, so you might not be able to tell, but this is a little more square. See how it is along that line there? And then it was, all I did was gently push on this. I mean, very gently. It did move some, and then it also straightened itself out some. And that's it. And it seems to be in there. I didn't pull on it. Don't want to do that. Just make sure the prongs are straight. It's in there nice and square. It looks like it may have gotten jostled or something during shipping. So, I mean, I'll talk to Reese about it. He said, well, you know, these things happen, you know, as these ECUs are hand built. So, you know, there are going to be some little imperfections here and there. We're going to put all this back together, turn the key. Well, I might just turn the key now and just kind of see what happens. If something changed, cool. If not, then, well, it didn't hurt anything. But at least we know everything in here is as it should be. So, got the key. All that lights up like it should. Alrighty, let's see if something happens. Nothing. But it didn't run in the first place. Well, it didn't start in the first place. So, I mean, we didn't go backwards, but we did at least make sure that the hardware is secure. So, I'm gonna get back to it.